This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Brittany Pruett. Introducing a prime commercial opportunity in downtown Clarksville, Arkansas. This expansive multipurpose building boasts 3,696 square feet of versatile floor space, a secure fenced side, ample parking, and 2 sets of large sliding glass garage doors. The property includes a spacious office with a bathroom and convenient loft storage. Ideal for diverse business ventures, this property offers a dynamic space in a thriving location. For more information, review the details below or contact Brittany Pruett at 479-774-3962.